So now that is where the Excel Connect plugin basically. So this is an Excel plugin. It lives inside of Excel. It has its own ribbon and it can do several functions. And I will show you one quick demo, like I said, in just a few minutes here. But so it's a regular Excel plugin, right? And it can actually connect to your Oracle Fusion and it will let you run these reports while inside of Excel, right? So basically it's a familiar Excel interface, right? So you don't have to spend too much time to learn it. And it produces real-time Fusion reports, right? There is no data download, much like OTBI and BI Publisher, right? So there's no extraction, there's no nightly process or sync or anything like that, right? So these are real-time reports. You can simply refresh the reports, right? So once you have, one time you run the report, all you have to do next day is just click refresh and the report will just bring with new data next time when you run it, right? So it's a click refresh button kind of a thing, and I will show you that. You can use Excel's formulas, right? So all your VLOOKUPs, HLOOKUPs, whatever, substring, mid, right? Some products, anything that you might be doing in Excel, all of those Excel formulas you can use with these reports right there, right? You can create your own pivot tables, right? And I'm sure you know what pivot tables are. So those same pivot tables will work exactly the way Excel's pivot table works. So that kind of simplifies the overall usage of your reports per se. You can use Excel's native charts. You can even turn SQL statements into reports. That means if you already happen to have SQL statements written in advance, you can actually reuse those SQL statements and turn that into a report all inside of Excel using this Excel plugin. And I will show you that also as an example there. And all these reports also inherit the role-based data security. That means you can only see the data that your Oracle Fusion, the role-based security allows you to see, right? So that is automatic. That means, so if I run the report and if my colleague ran the same report, then we might see two different data sets because our data role security is different, right? So all of that is automatically inherited. You can also run your BI Publisher reports from Excel by using this plugin. That is, if you already have a bunch of BI Publisher reports within Oracle Fusion, which I'm sure you might have some of those at least, you can actually run those reports from inside of Excel. So that means this becomes your kind of, like a centralized repository of all your reporting needs. So you don't have to go through different screens and get to that. And you will see that how easy and convenient it is, right?